Hello guys! Good day sa inyo. Another day, another vlog. So, samahan niyo ako sa inyo ngayon. I-share ko sa inyo yung gift namin ng husband ko for each other for our 3rd anniversary. Ito pala ay pabango from Versace that we bought from SM Aura last week nitong January. So, una kong bubuksan is yung for my husband, which is Versace Pour Homme. Ito siya. Itong pouch na to is freebie. Travel size. And ito yung malaki. Ang bango na ito, sobrang ano lang, fresh lang ng amoy. So, yung top notes na ito is lemon, bergamot, neroli, rose de may, at saka yung middle notes, hyacinth, cedar, clary sage, hindi ko mabasa, geranium, at saka yung base notes is tonka bean, musk, at amber. This lasts long talaga until the next day na aamoy pa rin siya. Pag spray mo siya sa t-shirt mo or sa damit. And ito yung freebie niya na pouch. May pa pala dito zipper. Pwede mo itong gamitin lalagyan ng mga toiletries mo. This is worth 6,000 plus. Tinapon na kasi ni Mark yung resibo, but then it says here 6,000 plus. Ito yung bili namin. And opening up na tayo for my pabango. Ito, Versace Bright Crystal Absolute. Mas mahal to siya compared dito sa pabango ng husband ko kasi yung sabi ng sales staff is ito yung bagong labas na scent ng Versace. I think last year lang. This is 7,000 plus and the other one is 6,000 plus. Trinay na namin to before when we go out for lunch. At till the next day, yung damit ko, amoy pabango pa rin. As in, kahit malayo siya, nabaamoy mo pa rin. Scent, mild lang yung scent na ito. Ito yung scent niya. Pomegranate, yuzu, water notes, peony. Yung middle notes is peony, raspberry, lotus, at saka magnolia. Yung base note is musk, mahogany, and amber. And ito yung freebie niya. This is called document bag. Lagyan mo ito, pwede mo itong travel, pwede mo din itong lagyan ng laptop. Ito, naka-hologram siya dyan. Paray ko. At may strap pa siya. Ayan siya. Malaki siya. So, madami ka ding malalagay. If ever magta-travel, you could put your laptop here and other documents. At mayroon din siyang dust bag. Ito. So, all in all, I'm so happy with my gift. This is so good. Titipirin ko to until like maybe another a year before we're gonna buy another perfume. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.